Okay, welcome back again. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell. Now, the last video that we watched, we started looking into lists and how to manipulate values in the list. In this series, we want to understand how to create lists and generate values from a list. So, for example, there are several ways of constructing a list containing a predefined set of values. So here we are generating a list of integers 1, 5, 20, and 42. Here we are creating a list of strings: apple, banana, and pear. Here also we are creating a list of characters: A, B, and C. We can also use some functions to generate lists. So for example, when you say list.range 1, 11, it means the list will contain integers or numbers 1 to 10. 11 is exclusive. Here also, we can say that fill the list with 3 items, and the item to fill is 5. Here also say fill the list with 5 items, and the item to fill with is 3. You can also say fill the list with 3 items, and the item is a string of 4, F-O-O. Now we can also go further to use other methods to pick element from the list. So we can use the take that takes element from the start of a list. We can have take right that takes element from the end of the list. We can have drop that drop element from the start of the list. Then we can have drop right that drop element from the end of the list. As usual, with list also, operation can be combined by chaining method. So here when you say x.til.til.reverse, it means pick a til, pick another til, then reverse the list item. You also can say take right, which means take the last element, take the head, or take 3 and take the head. So that becomes 2. We are working with this data set. We can also say take 4, drop 1, then I want the tail. Then you're going to have this. So we are going to practice all this exercise, all this theory that you have gone through. And so far, we have looked into strings and lists. And we say that string and list offers a wealth of useful method that can be used to conduct a variety of tasks. We have also learned the indexing that determines the position of a character. We also know that lists can be generated in a number of different ways to produce a desired result. So we are going to go to our coding area and attempt to practice all this syntax, method, and functions that we have explained in the 2 previous videos that you have watched, including this one. So we are going to end this video here. This is a short video that we have explained, or in which you have explained strings, you have explained lists, and we have looked at how we can manipulate those items. So if I'm going back, we looked at strings. We try to understand the indexing. We try to learn how to use the substring to pick set of characters within a string. We look at list and how to manipulate list items. We look at how we can generate values from our list using normal method of assignment and also using functions to automatically generate a list. And we also look at how we can apply different methods that comes with the list, like take method that takes element from the start, take right that take element from the end of the list, drop that remove element from the start of the list, drop right that remove element from the end of the list. So let's pause here and go to our IntelliJ and try to test all these commands that we have learned so far. Have a nice day, and I shall meet you in the next video where we try to code these commands and functions that you have learned so far. See you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.